Good morning! Ayan, usapang retirement naman po tayo. At common din na lumalabas sa board exam. Meron po tayong apat na klase. Yung una is compulsory retirement. Pangalawa is optional retirement. At pangatlo is yung total permanent physical disability. At yung pang-apat is yung posthumous or posthumous separation. Unahin man natin yung compulsory. Ito yung mga nagre-retire ng mandatory age or compulsory age, yung 56 years old. Yan. And sumunod is yung optional retirement na maka at least 20 years in the service ka is pwede ka na mag-retire optionally. At yung pangatlo is yung total permanent physical disability, which is ito yung hindi na capable yung katawan ng PNP personnel natin na magtrabaho. It's either physically or mentally. At yung pang-apat, ito po yung mga na-deads or nawala na habang active in service. Yun po. Compulsory, 56 years old. Optional, retirement at least 20 years. Total permanent physical disability. And yung posthumous separation. Tanong, may pension ba sila? Yes, may pension po sila. Under ng PNP Retirement and Benefits Administration Service dito po sa NHQ PNP Krame po. Yun po is under ng National Administrative Support Unit or NASU. Ayan, maraming salamat po.